it runs along the horn. Now you don't really see the artery, but it's there. I can see some blue color, so you know that's the vein. And of course, there's another one on the other side. So there are two uterine arteries, one on each side of the uterus, and each one of those follows one of the uterine horns. See on this side? See the uterine artery right there, and a vein, and yeah, and it continues along the horn. Okay. So of course, when you remove the uterus, you're going to be cutting these vessels, and they will bleed a lot, so you have to tie them off. That's ligation. They get tied off. And then you also tie off these vessels here. This would be ovarian artery and vein. Remember that the ovarian artery is actually a branch of the aorta, and the vein goes directly to the caudal vena cava. So, all right, so the broad ligament. The entire attachment, this stuff here, is referred to as the broad ligament, but it has three parts. And the part that's attached to the uterine horn is called the mesometrium. So the part I'm holding up the uterine horn, the uterus, you know, it goes all the way back. So anywhere along the uterus, you would refer to that part of the broad ligament, I'm holding onto it now, as mesometrium. Meso means mesentery, and that's what this stuff is actually, mesentery. And metrium refers to the uterus itself, because metro or metro means uterus. Then the other two parts of this broad ligament, you know, this part here that's attached to the uterus is the largest part, but then some of it here goes up to the ovary. This part is the mesovarium, ovarium for ovary. Mesentery that goes to the ovary. Let's flip it over where we can actually see the ovary. Here's the ovary on this side right there. So you can see this tissue here, this mesentery, right in here connects and holds on to the ovary. That's mesovarium. Then there's a little bit that holds on to this oviduct. And that's mesosalpinx. So now I'm going to hold on to the oviduct, and I'm going to stretch it with these forceps. Okay, so just to see the last part, the third part, look, here's the actual oviduct. See it right there?
Yeah.
Okay, now look, if I stretch it and I pull on it, you see it's connected.
Mm-hmm.
What's it connected by? Some of that mesentery, which attaches to this oviduct, and that right there, that little part of mesentery right there connected to the oviduct is the mesosalpinx. Okay?
That's what I thought, but then, I don't know, when you were like three times the point, I was like, am I not getting it right? Like, is that supposed to be hard?
No, that doesn't have anything to do with it. No, it's just because I've been doing this a long time.